सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सीनियर तरीन जज जस्टिस मंसूर अली शाह ने तकरीब से खिताब में कहा कि पाकिस्तान को मौसमियाती इमरजेंसी का सामना है, लेकिन अदालती अहकामात के बावजूद गुज़िश्ता 7 बरसों में मौसमियाती तब्दीलियों के हवाले से कोई काम नहीं हुआ।
Climate justice focuses on climate finance and more so on reparative justice. So to find climate justice now moves on to climate finance, but climate finance also further moves on to reparative justice, which focuses on compensating communities or individuals for harm caused by environmental degradation. So if the compensation isn't coming, then the entire literature, the entire debate is meaningless to my mind. So it has to be now, the future of climate justice is reparative justice. There has to be compensations coming our way so that we actually tangibly change things. The judiciary plans to have a serious judicial oversight over climate financing, pushing the government to making their claims internationally or even locally, but nothing so far has happened in that direction.